Good morning, class. How are you all? Good? Okay. Yeah. What about your science? I'm going to start here the same chapter, that is chapter number 4, heat. Okay. I have written here a new topic which is related to your previous topic that we were discussing that day about the thermometers. Now, heat, this term, how can you say that it is transferred from a particular object, from a particular thing, one thing to another thing, one object to another object? कैसे बोलेंगे? क्या है ये? First topic. Yes, our first topic is here transfer of heat. From where? To carry heat from one part of an object to its other part or from one object to another object. Transfer of heat basically क्या बताता है हमें? It's a movement. It means it's a carry heat from one part of object to its another part. और इसी को अगर टेम्परेचर के टर्म्स में हम बात करें, when we are talking about this particular term in hot objects or cold objects, yes, obviously heat transfer of heat is possible from hot objects to cold objects. Or when we are talking about this particular term objects, hot objects, in terms of temperature, तो क्या कंक्लूड करेंगे? हायर टेम्परेचर से कहाँ जाती है ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट? लोअर टेम्परेचर की तरफ. ठीक है? So yes, we have to consider here, we have to keep these 3 points in our mind कि ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट हमेशा कहाँ से कहाँ होता है? हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट से कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स. एंड व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द टेम्परेचर, तो मूवमेंट कहाँ से कहाँ होगा? हायर टेम्परेचर से कोल्डर और लोअर टेम्परेचर की तरफ. ओके. Now next thing, that heat can be transferred by the 3 different ways. There are 3 important ways by which we can transfer the heat. Number 1, I have written here conduction process. Number 2, by convection process. Number 3, by radiation process. Now I am going to start here the first point or the first term, the first process by which we can say that yes, the heat is transferring. When we are talking about by the convection process, so this transfer of heat, yes, of course, it will transfer from hotter part to a colder part. But there is a one very important point which I have written here, that without क्या किए हुए? Without the movement of a material, okay, and especially this process, conduction process, always occur in solid states. Third thing, you have a point here that we can take one example of conduction process. Suppose you have 1 cup of a hot tea and you are putting that one cold metal spoon inside it. So by which process? By conduction process, heat is transferring, okay, from hotter to colder part of object. Next topic I have written here, good and poor conductors. Everybody we have information कि yes, we can divide into the 2 main parts, good conductor, and sometimes some persons they are calling this word good conductor to conductors also. So good and poor conductor. Good conductors are those conductors which allow heat to pass through them easily, are called the good conductor. और poor किसे कहते हैं? Those do not allow heat to pass through them easily. Okay, so this is the basic difference between these two, good and poor conductor. Examples की बात कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे हम. Can you give me the 2 examples of the good conductor of heat and 2 examples of poor conductor of heat? Yeah, first, poor conductor की अगर बात करते हैं, so you have a paper, you have a wood, and what about the good conductor? That silver, aluminum are the good example of a good conductor of heat. Okay. Last point I have written here, uses of good and poor conductor. We have a very good, we can say that, uses of good and poor conductor. When we are talking about in our daily life, So we can give a lot of examples. Suppose we have a pan, tea, when we are preparing the tea and all, so we are using a metal pan. But what about the handle of that pan? We can say that when we have a use कि उसमें heat न pass करे, so that particular portion पे क्या use करते हैं? Poor conductor. Remember when we are preparing that 1 cup of tea in the kitchen, so that pan, it means the whole portion is metal, but what about the handle of that pan? That is the poor conductor, जहाँ पे हमें heat का transfer नहीं चाहिए. So this is the basic difference कि uses of good and poor conductor क्या है हमारे पास. Okay. So now everyone, this is your you can say that the revision of the previous chapters which are going on, but I am trying to explain you each and every topic. So please note down important points of this particular chapter and especially of this particular topic by conduction. Okay. And one more thing, students, what about your PT1 papers? Are you doing your revisions? Please do it seriously. Okay. Thank you everyone. Good day.